Alright guys, so this is the project that we have to build our rubber band cardboard car. So here I cut all the different parts for the car. So here we have the two wheels, the wheel, the back wheels, the front wheels, and this is the chassis. We put that on the side. So or you can use a glue gun, or you can use some this glue as well. I like it, but it take like 15 minutes to be well glued, and the difference with the glue gun is straightforward, so you can use both of them depending on what you have at home. So firstly we start with this one. It's going to be the chassis, so we need to glue both of them together. So that's what we do. We put both of them together. We have something like this, which is nice. I may need one more stick of glue, so here I have another one. I like that brand, Gorilla. It works well, and I like the quality. Alright, so we have this, so it's straightforward. That's why I like it, you know. It does the job rapidly. So now you need to take this one, this shape, and put this way on the side. You take this shape here, and you want to put it on the side like this. So that's what we do. We put it on the side like this. If you can see, put it on the side like this, and we do that on each side. So we're gonna have one like this, and we're gonna have another one just like this. So let's make sure we have you see you have two holes. Let's make sure they are on the same at the same level. Alright guys, let's go ahead and do that. There you go. That's straight. Alright, now we're gonna do the same for the other one. This is what we're about to do. Put that more on the side. And put some glue here. It's gonna be straight. There we go. But that's what it looks like. So we got this first oh, it's hot. Let me put it on the side. So that's what it looks like as the first thing for it. So now we're gonna use we're gonna add those two shapes here, and those two shapes we're gonna have them be part of the chassis. And this is what we're going to do. Alright guys, let me put it back here. So you see here I got this shape just right here. Gonna put some there you go, let's do that. Gonna be glue like this. That's what it looks like. Let me show you what it looks like. There we go. Let's take the other one, put that on the side, so it's like this. I'm gonna take this side and put some glue on it. There we go. And get this again. Voila. That's what it looks like. I can add more glue here. I can take the glue gun, add more glue here. Take this one, add more glue here. I can use them. The other one, add more glue here. That's how it works. Take a look at what it looks like. Alright, it's beautiful. Well made, beautiful. Voila. So now let's put it on the side. So now we have the two wheels. So we take this, we take a pencil, make it go for the pencil. Here we take the chassis here, so this is the back, you can see. So we make it go through the hole we have here in the chassis. It does take some time. There you go, that's what it looks like. So we have another hole here. Let me push that. Push that. There you go. There you go. So this is the rear wheel. I do the same thing here. That's the second wheel. I need to make a hole in it. That's how it goes. There we go. Take it like this. There you go. Alright. That's what it looks like. Now I need to take the two front wheels. Like that here. I need another pencil. I make it go through it like this. Seems to be tough. What's happening? Same here. We have some. Alright, we need to make a bigger hole here. There you go. There we go. There you go, guys. Car is done. It's finished. It is finished. Take a picture for you. There you go. Let's keep going, guys. So there is the car. So that's what it looks like. So you can see I changed the small front wheels for bigger wheels. So the car looks a bit better and it works better too. Now, but what you can do is you can glue the pencils. See here, and glue them. So you can use the glue gun, or you can just use this glue. You know, make sure you take this one, the glue haul, Hermes glue haul. Yeah, I like it. So you have a good finishing. Then let me take up to 20 minutes to dry. Alright, but if you're not in a hurry, it's perfect. No rush. Gonna let it dry. Alright. Gonna do the same thing for the other side too. There you go. Maybe I should use the glue gun, right? Alright. Maybe we do that next time. Alright. Do it here too. There you go. Make sure you have enough everywhere, but the wheels are straight. I'm gonna make sure that. There you go. Okay. So now what we need to, let me get that napkin to remove all the glue that's on me. So we need 2 of those. What we're gonna do with it, so see, we have the front here and we have the back wheel here. So we're gonna take it, go underneath there. We go this way. Voila. You can see it goes like this. You take the second rubber band. You put it like this. Voila. And what we do, we put both of them together like this. Alright guys, so I hope you can make a note. I do mine, you do yours however you can. I do mine however I can too. Alright. There is the note. Alright guys. Now let's give it, you can give it some time to dry now. And once it's dry, we can try it. Okay guys? Alright, thanks for tuning in. And let's take a look later. So when trying it, you may need to add because it's gonna have it doesn't have that much friction, so you may need to add a weight here, a little weight, whatever you have. I don't know, batteries, whatever you have, but it's a bit heavy, so you can do that. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. We try it later.